Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge token. About $517,000 have been added on Shibadoge within the past 15 hours. Wow, you can see people are buying Shibadoge. People are really investing on Shibadoge. The volume has really increased, and I'm happy to see that Shibadoge market cap have increased more with about $570,000. Remember, Shibadoge is currently trading with about 16 zeros, and so even if you buy just $1 worth of Shibadoge, you'll be getting millions of Shibadoge token, if not billions. I mean billions of Shibadoge token rather. That Shibadoge market cap is now trading at $8,570,231, and we all know that Shibadoge market cap as of a few months ago actually hit over $16 million before dropping back to $6 million, and then Shibadoge started pumping again and now hit $8 million. That was yesterday, and today we can see $8,570,000 market cap. If that continues and Shibadoge market cap eventually hit back at over $10 million, that is going to help the price of Shibadoge to really increase in price. That is the truth. I mean, Shibadoge is going to hit $20 million market cap before that. It should be between the early of 2023 if Shibadoge keep improving the way they are doing. Remember, they just got listed recently by Port Kansas City. So let's see if by January, February, or before April, if Shibadoge will be gaining more exchanges listing this coin. And I believe if you can see exchanges like crypto.com, Bank, Get.io, if one or two of these can just partner with Shibadoge or list Shibadoge, we are going to expect a massive increase in price on Shibadoge token. Shibadoge definitely is going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of next year. Deleting one or two zeros is going to help Shibadoge holders to really recover a lot, because Shibadoge have really dropped in terms of price. Those that bought it earlier, right now, I don't think they are really making it, because Shibadoge really dropped. Just like Bitcoin that was trading at $67,000 for dropping down at $16,000. You can see those that bought Bitcoin when it was trading at over $50,000 have really lost a lot of money. So BTC need to hit back at over $65,000 or $67,000 before this set of people can be making some money or recovering their money. And I believe when Bitcoin hit that level, we are going to see other crypto coins also increasing and hitting back at their level where they are when BTC was trading at $67,000. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.